In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up conversations in Apollo. To set up conversation, we're going to integrate wherever you have your meetings, like Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. We're going to set your permissions, and then we're going to add something called keyword trackers. Follow along in your account. Let's do this together. Now, before you go get it set up, you just want to make sure your mailbox is linked. If it's not, or you're not sure, just click on Settings at the bottom left, Manage Mailboxes at the top right, and you'll see if your mailbox is linked right here. If it isn't, click Link Mailbox at the top right. Once you're sure you've got your mailbox linked, you need to do that so that Conversation has access to your calendar. Click on Conversations under Winning Close. Once you're here, just click Set Up Conversations Now. The first thing it's going to ask is, where are you having your meetings? Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams? You can connect one or multiple. Start with the one you have most of your sales meetings in. For me, that's Google Meet. Because I'm signed into Apollo with a Google account, integration is very simple. You just hit connect and you're good to go. Once you connect your meeting software, then you'll have to set some permissions. The first one being, do you want all users on your Apollo account to have their meetings recorded automatically, or do you want to manually add those users in the future? If there's multiple users already on your account, you can choose which ones should have their meetings recorded right down here. And finally, you'll need to add trackers. Now, keyword trackers are your way of telling Apollo Conversation what to be looking for in your meetings, words or phrases that when said, you want Apollo Conversations to track. There's pre-built ones in here provided by Apollo that you can use, or you can edit them as well. Any of these that you don't want set up, just hit delete. If you want to edit them, just hit the pencil. You'll be able to add more custom trackers once you're done with setup. Once you finish with trackers, you'll see this pop up letting you know that you've set up Conversations and you're good to get started.